guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back to watch another video, thank you so much. We do have another hair review today, so please do subscribe and like this video. So today's hair is from Allove hair, and yeah, this hair is quite nice. I don't want to lie to you. So this is a loose wave, a Brazilian texture hair. It is pre-plucked, and I think the knots are bleached because they were blending in quite well. I'm very impressed with this hair. I love the length, the cap size. I just had to cut the lace and it was fitting my head. So right now I'm just showing you all the things I'm going to be using to do the hairstyle, which is the half up half down hairstyle. And because this is a frontal, the hairstyle came out great. I did struggle a tiny bit with the ponytail, but it wasn't really that big of a deal. So right now I'm just opening a pot to make a ponytail. If you have someone who's going to help you, especially the back, so that you can see what you're doing, you can get help from someone else. But I was alone. I had to do it all by myself, but it wasn't really difficult. I think the most difficult part was creating the ponytail, because it was my first time doing this hairstyle, but I managed to get it right. So a couple of times I did the ponytail, it was a bit bumpy in front, so I kept undoing it and doing it again, and I used the mousse and the hot comb to lay the hair flat, and it worked. So you just need to be careful because it is wavy hair. So if it was straight hair, it would have been a bit easier, but with wavy hair it's a bit difficult. So and I'm just using my hot comb just to lay the hair flat on the sides, because I want it to be slick and, you know, laid to the gauze. And I'm going to also be taking my mousse just to lay the hair flat. The hair is beautiful. It doesn't have flyaways, and also it doesn't shed, tangling not so much. And yeah, this is where I took the mousse just to lay it flat. I also did edges, guys. Please don't laugh at me. They were not perfect, obviously, and I'm still trying to learn, but I really tried, and I believe they came out very good. Also, I have to say the thickness of this hair is amazing. Like, it has volume, you know. That's it, really. That's how I achieved this hairstyle. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It's so easy. It's literally the easiest thing ever. And thank you so much to Allove hair for sending me such beautiful hair. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section and I will gladly answer them. See, I'm doing the edges. I am up there now. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.